What will health insurance plans look like as a result of the Affordable Care Act in 2014? When the exchanges come into play in 2014, they've defined what's called qualified health insurance plans, and there are four types of plans that will be available within the exchange. I refer to them as the metal plans, if you will. There's the bronze plan, which basically will pay 60% of the cost, and then you're responsible for the balance of that cost up to a family cost, if you will, of $11,900 could be a family out-of-pocket maximum. The next plan is the silver plan, very similar except it's 70-30. Plan pays 70%, you pay 30%, up to the $11,900 out-of-pocket family maximum. The gold plan is an 80-20 plan. So plan would pay 80%, you're responsible for 20% of the cost, up to that $11,900 out-of-pocket family maximum. And the last plan is the platinum plan, and that's the 90-10 plan, and the platinum plan pays 90%. You pay 10%, up to, again, the family out-of-pocket maximum of $11,900. So you get to choose which of those four plans you want, but in all four cases, the family maximum out-of-pocket liability is going to remain at $11,900. So what does this mean? Well, through these exchanges, you could potentially be eligible for a subsidy depending on your income. And so when you take the subsidy, when you take the fact that there's no underwriting, and you take the fact that there's a penalty if you don't, buy insurance, we expect to see anywhere up to 30 million more people entering the individual health insurance space as a result of this. Now, here's the critical thing. In American General, we have seen a significant increase in sales of our supplemental accident health products over the last few years. So plans that cover out-of-pocket expenses to help cover deductibles and copays as a result of an accident or a critical illness, we've seen an increase in these sales over the last few years. And even with these qualified health plans, we would expect to see that continue going forward. And so, given the fact that $11,900 is a lot of money for a lot of people, and that's per year, statistically we know from bankruptcies, close to 60% of bankruptcies are caused as a result of a medical condition, and 3/4 of the people who declared bankruptcy in those situations had health insurance. And so the reality is, yes, there's going to be standardized plans. Yes, there'll be subsidies for those plans, but there's still a need for supplemental insurance that takes care of the case of an accident, case of a critical illness, for example. And these types of plans are not subject to health insurance reform and therefore can continue to pay the commissions that they're paying today.